Picture this, a world where every click, every share, and every scroll ignites a spark of possibility. Welcome, adventurers of the digital frontier, to Build, Code, Create, your passport to the pulsating heart of digital marketing innovation. Today marks a pivotal moment as we unfurl the banner of our inaugural episode, beckoning you to join us on an odyssey of discovery. Yes, you heard it right. This maiden voyage is our first step into a realm where boundaries dissolve and imagination reigns supreme. So whether you're navigating the bustling streets of Mumbai, the electric avenues of New York City, or any corner of our vast digital universe, consider this channel your personalized compass guiding you towards unparalleled success. Now, you might be wondering what sets us apart in this vast sea of digital content. Well, buckle up, because here's the twist. We're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deeper and deeper into the realm of digital marketing. Think of it as unlocking the hidden secrets, unraveling the mysteries, and unleashing the full potential of your online presence. But hey, who am I? I'm your guide in this exhilarating journey, a digital aficionado with a passion for decoding the algorithms, crafting compelling content, and strategizing for success. And let me tell you, I've got a plethora of insights, examples, and personal stories up my sleeve to keep you engaged every step of the way. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur in Bangalore, a seasoned marketer in Silicon Valley, or simply someone curious about the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, this channel is your go-to resource. Together, we'll navigate through the dynamic landscape of SEO, social media strategies, email campaigns, and much more. Get ready to embark on a journey where every click, every like, and every share matters. Because here at Build, Code, Create, we're not just building brands, we're crafting legacies. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's make waves in the digital world together. So buckle up and remember, the future is digital, and the possibilities are limitless. Let's start the episode. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. Essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's digital marketing. Any marketing that uses electronic devices and can be used by marketing specialists to convey promotional messaging and measure its impact through your customer journey. In practice, digital marketing typically refers to online marketing campaigns that appear on a computer, phone, tablet, or other device. It can take many forms, including online video, display ads, search engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts. Digital marketing is often compared to traditional marketing such as magazine ads, billboards, and direct mail. Oddly, television is usually lumped in with traditional marketing. Did you know that more than 3/4 of Americans go online on a daily basis? Not only that, but 43% go on more than once a day, and 26% are online almost constantly. These figures are even higher among mobile internet users. 89% of Americans go online at least daily, and 31% are online almost constantly. As a marketer, it's important to take advantage of the digital world with an online advertising presence by building a brand, providing a great customer experience that also brings more potential customers, and more with a digital strategy. A digital marketing strategy allows you to leverage different digital channels such as social media, pay-per-click, search engine optimization, and email marketing to connect with existing customers and individuals interested in your products or services. As a result, you can build a brand, provide a great customer experience, bring in potential customers, and more. Inbound marketing versus digital marketing. Digital marketing and inbound marketing are easily confused, and for good reason. Digital marketing uses many of the same tools as inbound marketing, email, and online content, to name a few. Both exist to capture the attention of prospects through the buyer's journey and turn them into customers, but the two approaches take different views of the relationship between the tool and the goal. Digital marketing considers how individual tools or digital channels can convert prospects. A brand's digital marketing strategy may use multiple platforms or focus all of its efforts on one platform. For example, a company may primarily create content for social media platforms and email marketing campaigns while ignoring other digital marketing avenues. On the other hand, inbound marketing is a holistic concept. It considers the goal first, then looks at the available tools to determine which will effectively reach target customers, and then at which stage of the sales funnel that should happen. As an example, say you want to boost website traffic to generate more prospects and leads. You can focus on search engine optimization when developing your content marketing strategy, resulting in more optimized content, including blogs, landing pages, and more. The most important thing to remember about digital marketing and inbound marketing is that, as a marketing professional, you don't have to choose between the two. In fact, they work best together. Inbound marketing provides structure and purpose for effective digital marketing efforts, making sure that each digital marketing channel works toward a goal. Why is digital marketing important? Imagine you're running a bakery. You used to rely on flyers and maybe even a local newspaper ad to spread the word about your delicious cupcakes. But these days, everyone's glued to their phones, scrolling through endless social media feeds. That's where digital marketing swoops in, like a superhero with a sprinkle-covered cape. Here's the thing, there are over 5 billion internet users worldwide. That's a mind-blowing number of potential customers who could be craving your pastries, but they won't know you exist unless you reach them online. Digital marketing is your magic door to that massive audience. Think of it like this, social media is your virtual bakery window. You can post mouth-watering pictures of your creations, share stories about your ingredients, and even run contests to get people excited. It's a way to connect with your customers directly, answer their questions, and build a community around your brand. And the best part? Digital marketing doesn't have to break the bank. Unlike traditional advertising, you don't need a huge budget to get started. You can create engaging content, run targeted ads, and connect with influencers without spending a fortune. It's a game changer, especially for small businesses. But digital marketing isn't just about the present. It's about the future too. The online world is constantly evolving, and new platforms and tools are emerging all the time. By embracing digital marketing, you're future-proofing your business. You'll be able to stay ahead of the curve, connect with new generations of customers, and keep your brand relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. So, ditch the flyers and embrace the power of digital marketing. It's time to sprinkle your magic online and watch your business bloom. B2B versus B2C digital marketing. Digital marketing strategies work for B2B, business to business, as well as B2C, business to consumer, companies, but best practices differ significantly between the two. Here's a closer look at how digital marketing is used in B2B and B2C marketing strategies. B2B clients tend to have longer decision-making processes, and thus longer sales funnels. Relationship building strategies work better for these clients, whereas B2C customers tend to respond better to short-term offers and messages. B2B transactions are usually based on logic and evidence, which is what skilled B2B digital marketers present. B2C content is more likely to be emotionally based, focusing on making the customer feel good about a purchase. B2B decisions tend to need more than one person's input. The marketing materials that best drive these decisions tend to be shareable and downloadable. B2C customers, on the other hand, favor one-on-one connections with a brand. Don't be fooled by the one-size-fits-all approach to digital marketing. While it's true that B2C companies selling everyday items can get away with fun and quirky content, imagine trying to sell a luxury car with silly cat videos. Not exactly the vibe you're going for, right? The key is to understand your own customers. Are you selling a high-end service to other businesses, B2B? Then informative white papers, industry reports, and even webinars might be your jam. But if you're a funky sock company targeting millennials, B2C, hilarious memes and user-generated content contests might be a better fit. Think of it like this, you wouldn't wear the same outfit to a job interview as you would to a music festival, would you? Your digital marketing strategy needs the same kind of customization. Take a good, long look at your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? What kind of content would resonate with them and make them stop scrolling? Here's the thing, effective digital marketing isn't about a quick burst of attention. It's about building a lasting connection with your customers. Imagine your ideal customer. Are they a busy professional who schemes headlines during their morning commute? Then short, informative snippets on social media might be the perfect way to grab their attention. Or maybe you're targeting a younger audience who thrives on interactive experiences. In that case, consider hosting live Q&A sessions or launching creative challenges to get them engaged. By tailoring your online marketing campaigns to your specific customer base, you'll grab their attention and turn them from window shoppers into raving fans. Remember, it's all about building a connection, and the right content is the bridge that gets you there. So ditch the generic approach and get personal with your digital marketing strategy. Your customers will thank you for it, and you'll be building brand loyalty that translates into long-term success. Our inaugural episode of Build, Code, Create has come to a close, but the journey has only just begun. I hope you found today's dive into the world of digital marketing as exhilarating as I did. But hold on tight, because the adventure doesn't end here. In our next episode, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of different types of digital marketing. From SEO to content marketing, we'll explore each facet, uncovering strategies and insights to propel your online presence to new heights. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today, if you felt inspired, enlightened, or even just a tad curious, I urge you to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss out on our upcoming episodes filled with actionable tips, insider knowledge, and captivating discussions. Trust me, the journey ahead is going to be nothing short of extraordinary, and I want you to be a part of it. So, until we meet again, stay curious, stay ambitious, and stay tuned for more digital adventures on Build, Code, Create. Remember, the future of marketing is digital, and together, we're rewriting the rules. See you in the next episode.